Thanks to Dr. Jenkins, I haven't had any cavities, so I've just had the regular cleanings along the way, but I'm currently doing Invisalign with him.
You name it, I've had it, from cleanings to fillings to implants to partial plates to repair chippings.
The primary reason why I go to Dr. Jenkins, and I have for the past 10 years, is just basic dentistry, you know, my 6-month cleaning, and he's always done a great job. Every now and then, and I do mean every now and then, there might be a cavity or two that he's got to fill up, but basic cleaning.
I became a patient of Dr. Jenkins because I went to a dentist originally when I was small, and I had cavities, which I've always had cavities. I think I'm predisposed to cavities, not at the fault of any dentist, but the dentist that we went to wasn't terrible, but he wasn't great. And, you know, he offered some procedures, but not everything that we may have needed. So we switched to Dr. Jenkins, and that's how I became a patient.
I see him for general cleaning. I see him for any cavities that I might have. And recently I broke a tooth, a front tooth, and he came out of his home and fixed it immediately for me. It was amazing.
I can't list all of the procedures I've had with Dr. Jenkins. They are numerous, but the one that I've been happiest with and had the most compliments on have been the lumineers.
We just love the staff at Dr. Jenkins' office. They're kind of like family, really kind of like my girlfriends. We always catch up about vacations and kids and everything that's going on. We've known them for so many years. It's wonderful to go in and visit when we're there.
I would recommend him to anyone. I do not recollect a single time that I have called him and he has not taken me the same day. Not the next day, the same day.
Dr. Jenkins, he's such a cool guy. I mean, at first he's kind of quiet, but he's warm and he loves to laugh. He's easygoing, he's consistent. I like him. Not only does he remember me, you know, every 6 months you go and you might tell him a tidbit about your life, and 6 months later he remembers that tidbit, which, you know, when you think about all the patients, is crazy. But the other thing that I appreciate is his level of excellence. It's not like you go one time and, you know, he does a great job, and next time you're like, Every single time he's just consistently excellent, and he's kind and he's nice, and he makes you feel like you're not just a patient. He makes you feel like you're actually a part of his life, so it's great.
I would definitely recommend Dr. Jenkins to all of my friends. He's willing to help and always willing to do what's going to be best for your mouth.
I've been very, very lucky. I've had good dentists all my life. And when I came to Dr. Jenkins, I didn't know how I would feel, but he is the best of the best, and I'm terribly, terribly lucky to have him.
I'm a patient of Dr. Jenkins because of the quality of care, the professionalism of the staff, and the friendship that we've created.